You can use AudioKey to configure the settings on your audio link. The settings you change here will become the default settings every time you use AudioLink. Select Connectivity options from the menu. Make sure AudioLink is paired with your phone. Select AudioLink from the list and tap Next. You can configure the settings for 3 separate AudioLink situations. For example, when you're making a phone call. For each situation, you can select whether you want to stream automatically to your left processor, right processor, or both processors. You can also choose whether you want to hear sound only from your AudioLink, or if you want to hear a mix of sound from AudioLink and from your audio processor microphones. To hear a mix, check the box. If you'd rather just hear sound from your AudioLink, uncheck the box.